Namaste, myself Rohit Kumar Chauhan of Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, DIPHU, KARBI, ANGLONG-I, Assam. Today, I would like to share an idea. We all in JNV DIPHU, we have an help desk where our teacher are working to upload JNVST form for the student who cannot upload their form. But what the problem is, the website get down in very few times. We do not get much time to upload a single form. So what my teacher face are, they have to re-upload many of the forms again and again. So I I talked with my teachers and they explained what the problem is. So I tried to solve their problem with an idea that I used here. So I like to explain my idea how we in JNV DIPHU have uploaded more than 1000 form in a very few days. So first of all, I developed or I formatted an Excel sheet where I thought of all the problems and accordingly I solve all the problems. First of all, in Excel sheet, what we get is many of the forms have same data. So in Excel sheet, what I do is when you enter this candidate name, all the data of the previous cell or the above cell get automatically copied to the next cell. So accordingly, if the data is correct, you don't have to edit the data, but if the data is wrong, you have to edit the data. And for example, in class 3, class 4, class 5, the student have studied in the same school, many of the time you will get that. So whenever you upload the name of the school, it will directly get copied to that cell that the student studied in the same school in 3, 4 and 5. So, and accordingly, the next problem was to make this creative. Means in data uploading, it's not very easy task. You have to give many of your time. So to make this creative, I formatted all the cell in a very beautiful color with very beautiful text color and background, so that whenever you upload, you will get attracted to that color and you will love to fill up the Excel form. So my Excel form is completed. Data entry you have done all complete, and the next is you have to take photographs in the way that everything is in the sequence. For example, whenever you take the photograph of a single form, first of all you have to take the photograph of the candidate and then the signature of the candidate and then the signature of the parents, and fourth you have to take the photograph of the whole form, and lastly you have to take the photograph of the voter ID or any of the document of the parents that they gave. I would like to add that in Aadhaar there are two websites connected, so the process gets slowed. So what we are doing is we are uploading on the behalf of voter ID. If the student has no voter ID, we ask for voter ID through call. So photograph completed, and third is our main software, or what I believe is for my it's software. So in Chrome there is an extension which is known as Excellent Data Filler, which you have to customize yourself, which will take you a lot of time, which I give many times to that Excellent Data Filler to make this to customize the NVS website. So everything is completed. You have to just upload the data entry to that software, and the rest of work is of the software. It will upload the data of the student one by one. So that's my idea. Now let me explain how it works. Let me explain you how it works. First of all, you have to fill up the data in the Excel sheet. For example, you have to enter the name of the candidate, the school name, father name, mother name, date, and everything is formatted here. For example, if the date is not eligible, if the student is not eligible, for example, I put 1st April 2011. So you can see it is red. It means that this student is not eligible, so I formatted this. And you have to select the gender, caste, address, mobile number, identification mark, annual income. This data which you fill here will automatically get copied to this cell. Medium of examination, name of the school, and all of this you have to just simply add. For example, when you select here rural, this data will copy here. So here I will select urban. In 2011, if you do in 2000 Excel above 2007, then and there will be a Dropbox. Here I am using 2007, so I am not getting the Dropbox. So when you use more than 2007 Excel 2000 above 2007, you will get this drop down menu. Here you have to select the block. Here in block you have to change accordingly. You have to go to data validation. Here you simply have to go to data validation and just simply add the values accordingly in the list. You have just select the list wherever it is. For example, I have the list in somewhere here, so I'll select this, but I don't have the list here. So accordingly you can set your computer teacher of your school can set this. And if I enter here Howrah Hat, this will get copied to the remaining cells because I have formatted this accordingly. Here you have just simply have to enter the pin code. Here you will get a remark column, a remark row, where you simply have to check if the data are correct or not, because it will help us to upload a very correct and accurate data. If here in this cell you have to enter the Aadhaar number if no voter ID or documents available, or voter ID means the document of the parents, any document. If there is no document available of the parents, then simply add the Aadhaar number of the student. This will detect automatically. And your work is not done here, just your data entered here. You can enter the data up to 200. Here I have entered just 15 data. Here there is a sheet which name give image URL, so you have to provide the image URL of starting image. It is written very clearly. So what we get problem is many of the time what the size of the file are very large, the image size are very large. So simply go to this website bulkresizePhotos.com and select all the photos that you have. So I selected all the photos and just simply click here and start. It will in very few time it will resize all the photos accordingly. So my resize has been completed. Here you can just check. Here I got the resized photos, so I'll extract it to resize photo, or you can extract anywhere, you know. This it's very simple. And go to this bulk resize folder and select the image path of first photo. Here my first photo is ROVL1, so I'll just copy this path. You will see very uniqueness here. It is 1 2 3 4 and up to 75. This is because I use doc scanner, which is very good to use, and there everything is get systematically rearranged or renamed, so I used it. And here our is we have to copy the path. So here you can go to copy path, and the path is copied, and simply go to your Excel sheet and paste the format path location of starting image. I pasted the path location. Here in the main is data sheet, you don't have to edit anything in the data. Everything is our correct. Data enter here is correct. Our data entry completed here. After adding the give image URL, simply you have to go to Chrome and add an extension, that is excellent data filler. Here I have added, so it is setting remove from Chrome. So here when you are new, if you are new, it will show add to Chrome. When you add this extension to Chrome, it will simply open a page. That is this side. You have here I have logged in. This website will ask you to log in, so log in accordingly, you know very well. Here simply go to setting. If I click on setting, it will open a page that is this. So it is a page. Here I customize for this website, so I simply put the URL of this website here because I don't want to see the Dropbox. It will make the work very easy. And here it is stating log setting. You have just simply have to turn on this option. Do you want to see the response of form filling through logs? Yes. And in form filler setting, you have to just simply on this, so that it will make you attractive. Here it states that if you want to see the response color in the field when filling the form, then turn it on. So I want to see the color of the cell that is being filled, so I turn this option on. Here in the second option, it's stating that if you want to see the entry status bar. It means we have to see the numbering of the registration form which is being uploaded. So whenever we get any data entry, when you do data entry, just simply add a registration number above in the registration form, which will help you in data uploading. So I added that in my registration. Here everything option done, so we'll just simply update this setting. And lastly, it states import or export setting. So I'll import site data. I've kept the site data here in my JNVST software. So this is the main data which we have to upload. So I just drag and drop here. Sorry, we'll just simply copy this path, and I will just add here import site data, and just I will import this document JSON file. And here in home page, you have to just click on edit site and upload your Excel. Here you have to select on upload Excel. So I'll upload my Excel. I have kept here in data. So I'll just drag and drop. It's very simple. Just drag and drop here. You can also select by just clicking on choose file. So here we have saved all the data up to port number. It's mere clar empty. So just simply save this. You don't have to save this, but I have done this 4 forms. I have to work on 5th form, so I just enter this data, update this data, and simply go to the website, that is cbseitms.rcil. that is the registration link. So just simply go to that website, and it's NVS main website. Just click on registration. Here you will see that your form is being uploaded. It will upload in 1 to 1 minute it takes. Here you get a error. It means there is something missing. So the missing is EDF file picker. So just install it. The program has been installed. It is install EDF file picker. So I installed it, and I'll refresh the page. You will get this problem. So don't be afraid of the problem. It will get solved. So there was a problem that we have Aadhaar number. So whenever you just have Aadhaar number, you have to take the photograph in sequence. It means 5 pictures of each document is necessary. It means first is photo of the student, second is candidate signature, third parent signature, and fourth the form, and the 5th a document. If there is no document, you simply have to take a blank page, because in my format 5 pictures is compulsory. So I took, for example, I will simply add this 12th number form, because there is no Aadhaar. So I clicked on save option, and I will simply go to update this form, because I have just uploaded this all 11 forms. So simply I have to upload this 12th number form. So just go to the website, and it will upload for you. You just simply have to see if the data is correct or not. I am looking every data is correct. It's stating it's correct. Yes, it's correct. Joycing Ramsa, yes. Female, ST, and everything is correct. For example, English is correct. It will give some time to see. For a human being, you will detect. It is not a very short time. You can detect this. It will just simply add all the photographs. You have to do nothing. Just simply sit still and see the website do it itself. So simply you have to just click on enter. If because my data is correct, so I clicked on enter, and this will get uploaded. So website is slow, so wait a second, this get uploaded, and here you will see a problem that it will just simply redirect to the first page. You can notice there is 30 number form out of 32. So it means we have completed the 12th number form, but we did not write the registration number. So where is the registration number? You will get this problem, but it is not a problem. Just go to this website and go to NVS this side and go to data. Here you can see a very beautiful success message there. Mirdan Kramsapi, your application form has been successfully submitted. Your registration number is 0311070002. You can just simply go to here and just note it down after every form is completed. So here I noted this registration number down and our work is done. That's it. Lastly, I will add that there is a what we use is this tree data is meant for you, so you can get this data wherever you are watching this. You can get this data. First of all, it is all site data which I shown you, and second is EDF file picker. You have to install it on your PC. It is when you click here, you will your program will be installed. And lastly, it is Excel format where you have to update all the data entry. You have to do all the data entries. So that's it. That's my idea. Thank you for watching.